Gerhard's Appliance's Freedom to Save July 4th sales event is going on now, and we're starting our summer savings celebration in style with these cool GE stainless steel refrigerator deals. Take home this GE side-by-side refrigerator with external ice and water for only $10.99. Or this sleek stainless GE French door with internal water dispenser for just $13.99. Or this GE French door refrigerator with LED lighting and external ice and water dispenser for only $14.99. You can also clean up on this hot GE Profile all-in-one washer and dryer laundry deal. And for only $17.99, it's the perfect solution to save money and space. The Freedom to Save July 4th sale is going on now, only at Gerhard's Appliances, where 80 years of small business is kind of a big deal.